Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Jessie Drummond. I'm the coordinator for the Office of Service Learning and Civic Engagement. And today I'm going to show you our new platform called Eagle Service Network. Thanks so much for joining me. So you're going to start off on this home page, right? Eagle Network. So you can find this by searching in the search bar. You can find it from our home page. But this right here, Eagle Service Network, if you hit Explore, it'll take you to the sign in. Just like before, right? So you're going to use your Eagle email, Eagle password, but you'll see that, right, it's Eagle Service Network. I'm going to use my student one. So when I sign in here, this is just like before. Everything that was on the old system transfers to the new one. We're still using the same kind of platform. We just wanted to make it specific to service learning. So over here, instead of experiential learning, you're going to see service learning forms. And when you click on that, it's just like the old one where you can see your previous ones that you've done. But again, remember, this is like a two-step process. So the first one is where you're going to add the community partner you're working with to make sure that they're approved to work with them. So when you add new, and again, this is best to do before you even go out and serve, right at the beginning of the semester. Always, always, always put service learning as the service learning type. I know that sounds silly, but if you put campus involvement because you're working with multicultural leadership development or programming board, that's great. But if you're trying to get service learning hours for it, you always have to put that. You can talk about what semester you did it in. If you're doing it with colloquium, foundations of civic engagement, you can add that information here. And then this is where you're going to put who you're partnering with, right? A government agency or a nonprofit, right? And you'll type it in. Nothing pre-populates anymore. We just wanted you to just write it out for us. Try to be as accurate as possible. That way it's easy for us to find the organization. And then just put a little bit about what you hope to be doing with them. And again, this is a little bit before. So if you're not sure what you're going to be doing, give us an idea. If you're not sure how long you're going to be doing it with them, you can put the beginning and end of the semester. And this is just to get an idea of who you're working with so we can make sure that we approve that ahead of time. And then the last part is who is actually going to be approving the hours, right? So who's that supervisor, their phone number, their email, make sure that it's not a student email. It's also really important to make sure that you triple check this email, because if you add an extra R or leave something off, then they'll never get the email that has the link to approve the hours. So triple check that before you hit submit. When you hit submit, it actually comes to our office so we can, look through what you're going to be doing, who you're going to be doing it with, and then that's when we go ahead and either hit approved. And once you hit approved, you're going to have a lot of other options to work with. But if it is not approved, this is kind of what it will look like. And this one was not approved because Sigma Gamma Rho, an incredible sorority on campus, but they're not a nonprofit or government agency. What I should have done is put who we were working with that day for service. So when it is approved, you're going to see all these other things that you can hit on. The most important one is track hours. But what I want to show you the difference of is, see this one right here, how it says community partner final evaluation. That means I have tracked my hours and my community partner said something. I've tracked my hours and my community partner said something. So this one you can see I haven't yet. So I'll hit track hours. And this is the simplest part. This is right at the end of the semester. You can put the start time that you worked with, end date, hours, and tasks, and hit. When you hit submit for this one, it'll actually directly go to the community partner. It won't go to us to send to them. It just goes straight to them. So when you get done submitting, submitting your hours, I would always send them a quick email, let them know that you did. Thanks so much for working with us this semester. Just wanted to let you know that I've tracked my hours with you. And then just to triple check to make sure that they said yes, you're going to hit community partner evaluation, and you want to see that the hours inputted by the student are accurate. Yes. And then that is what's going to be populated into your total hours. So you always want to check, right? Because if they say no, they don't have any record of this, or they could say no, like, no, you did way more than 5 hours. Let us know that. We can help resend the form. We can help contact the supervisor, talk to them a little bit about the system, but let us know whatever, if you have any needs with this. If you want to check your total hours, you can hit it here, or you could also go to DegreeWorks to check that as well. But thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, you can contact us at servicelearning@fgcu.edu. But thank you so much and have a great day.